Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Regina Octavia. My student ID is 22 30 2020 1046. Here I will review short story lines. Enjoy! So, I read the short story The Dream, which is a psychological drama by William Sidney Porter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, an American writer born in North Carolina and died in New York. Following a story set in a prison, especially for death row inmates, just before execution, with the main character named Murray, a man who waits to be executed. The story begins with the sentence, "Murray dreamed a dream." We are immediately introduced to the main character, Murray, who is awaiting execution in his cell, and he plays a small ant on the table, but powerful symbol of life, freedom, and limitation. Although he would be executed that night, Murray, who was in a special block for death row inmates named Limbo Lane, which signifies a state of life and death. However, he appeared extraordinarily calm. Beside him, 7 other men were also waiting for their turn in the electric chair. Evidently, it's an unofficial social order among the inmates. Those who kill openly are more respected than those who kill quietly. The cellmate across Bonifacio, with his laid-back style, shows honest solidarity and a touch of dark humor. This interaction adds a layer of humanity to the death row space. In the middle of the story, at 8 o'clock in the evening, the officers came to pick up Murray. His old friend Leonard Winston, now a pastor, was there to accompany him. Then Murray was served whiskey by an officer as a final nerve tonic, which he drank in silence, and the other prisoners reacted with various attitudes. Some show respect, while others remain silent due to class differences in their crimes. After that, Murray was taken to execution chamber. According to the remaining notes from O. Henry, the story should continue with an emotional twist. As the binding ropes are being tied, Murray experiences a dream. He imagined himself in a peaceful countryside house with his wife and child. Everything felt real. He believes that the entire execution procedure is just a nightmare, and the reality is simple happiness in that house. The end of the story is actually reversed. All the happiness in the dream is an illusion, and the death is the reality. In spite of his embrace with his wife and his child in that dream, real electric current was run, ending his life. He had dreamed the wrong dream. The dream still offers a very strong portrait of the human mental condition approaching death, as well as inner turmoil between guilt, denial, and final hope. O. Henry takes readers not only into the prison but into the mind of a person on the brink of life and death. And certainly for those interested in O. Henry's works, which are not only known for their irony and surprise but also attempt to explore the deeper aspect of humanity. Okay, I recommend this short story because it contains meaningful storytelling with psychological elements and a tragic twist. This short story certainly appreciates reflective themes of regret, punishment, and false reality. Although this short story was not completed because O. Henry passed away while writing it. However, the final plan of the story has been explained in the editor's notes.